Ndeto cia hina hina iria ireketie gukorwo ikiumbuka ni ati mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua no atuike wa gukena hanini kana hihi no ahumuke hanini wona igoti ni rigereketie gukorwo rikiaria ciege impeachment yake aria ireketie gukorwo igikinya na undu wa kumakania ni ati riu kwa thaa ici ngikumenyithia ndeto ino bururi witu wa Kenya wina deputy president eri kiuria no hihi president William Ruto gukorwo akioya na kiuria gukorwo agicagura u na kiuria giki nikio kireurio ni a Kenya aingi kwa ndagika ino. Indi na korwo ngikumenyithia ndeto ici makiria big win ino ya mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua ngikithekeria tu tafadhali ngwihoya na gitio kinene muno makiria witikire gukorwo subscribe thini wa channel ino itu na please ndugakorwo kiriganirwo gukorwo kihinyaga kengere niguo kamukagira mohoro kire wa mbere hindi ciothe riria tokorwo tugigwikira maria marathie na mbere gukorwo makiyumiria kana gukorwo makikunuka guku thini wa bururi witu wa Kenya. Ona thengia ya bunge gukorwo magitongoria impeachment ya mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua mwaka ucio rathirire wa 2024 mweri-ini wa November uguo tukiona mahanyukia makihitukia mundu ugwitwo Kithure Kindiki magikorwo makimuhitukia ta deputy president wa bururi witu wa Kenya. Riu bururi witu ni utigitwo winjia panda kuona igoti muthenya ha umuthi niria rikia gukorwo rikierekeria kana rikiruta ndumiriri na aria korwo igere igutha rinene kuri thirikari ya William Ruto kuona korwo no uririkane impeachment ya mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua iria yatwikire gukorwo ikihanika na mundu ugwitwo Kithure Kindiki gwituika niwe kwihitithio ta deputy president wa bururi witu wa Kenya kuria mwena wa Kirinyaga thini wa igoti ria ku ria High Court. MCS maiganona ni matwikire a kuhanda cira igoti-ini wa kuregana na mundu ugwitwo Kithure Kindiki kwihitithio ta deputy president mweru wa bururi witu wa Kenya na igoti ria ku Kirinyaga rigituika ria kurugamia Kindiki kwihitithio. Indi deputy chief justice Philomena Mwilu ona igoti ria Kirinyaga ni riatuika ria kurugamia Kindiki kwihitithio ni athondekire kamiti na iria yakiri na majaji matatu na majaji macio matatu riria mathikiririe cira wa Gachagua makiuga hatiari na gitumi kiiganu ya kugiriria mundu ugwitwo deputy president Kithure Kindiki akihitithio na tukiogona igongona ria kwihitithio ria mundu ugwitwo Kithure Kindiki rikihanika muthenya uyu ungi nyumba-ini nene ya micemanio KICC kuria mucii munene wa Nairobi. Mawakiri na maria marugamirie mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua mona majaji macio ni metikira mundu ugwitwo Kithure Kindiki atuike wa kwihitithio. Mawakiri macio ni matwikire a kuhanda cira igoti-ini cira na uria wakiugaga ati deputy chief justice Philomena Mwilu ndabatie gukorwo agicagura majaji gukorwo magithikiria cira wa impeachment ya mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua kana ndari na hinya ucio thutha wa Kenya gukorwo magieterera igoti rigie na cira ucio wa ati deputy chief justice ndari na hinya wa gucagura bench iyo yakunguire kana yakorirwo igithikiria mundu ugwitwo kana yakorirwo igikindira mundu ugwitwo Kithure Kindiki atuike wa kwihitithio muthenya ucio. Igoti nario ni riakorwo rikirekereria matua ma cira ucio ati deputy chief justice Philomena Mwilu ndari na hinya wa gucagura bench iyo yakiugire mundu ugwitwo Kithure Kindiki atuike wa kwihitithio umuthi. Igoti ni riakorwo rikirekereria matua ma cira ucio na riakorwo rikiuga ati deputy chief justice Philomena Mwilu ndari na hinya wa gukorwo agicagura majaji macio maugire Kithure Kindiki atuike wa kwihitithio na uko ni gukiuga ati Kindiki ahitithirio mugaro na watho na no gukiuga ati mundu ugwitwo Professor Kithure Kindiki akiri thiini wa ofisi ya deputy president na mahitia na no gukiuga Rigathi wa Gachagua no gukorwo akiuga Rigathi wa Gachagua kuringana na katiba ya bururi witu wa Kenya no kwa ndagika ino bataire gukorwo agitamburo ta deputy president wa Kenya na o niguo ndeto ino ikirekereirio ni igoti na onaguo ni ambitie gukorwo igitrend na nie ni gukorwo ngimiquote kuria Martha Koome akorirwo akingirira ndeto ino na akorwo akiuga if you are impeached you are permanently impeached even if you have a case in court you are still impeached. The appeal does not take away the sentence. I think we interpret the law for our benefit. If I want to benefit, I will interpret it the way I want, but the law remains the law. Iyo ni ndeto kana ni ndumiriri ya jaji munene niwe Martha Koome. Thutha wa Kenya aingĩ gũkorwo makĩigua mohoro maya ma hinahi ũrĩa makorwo makĩyumĩria ũũ nĩguo nao manjĩtie gũkorwo makĩruta maoni mao na niĩ nĩ ngũkorwo ngĩquote andũ maigana ũna ta ũyũ akorirwo akiuga ũũ. Then Simon Mwangi akauga, how can we vote for a leader and then for a moment a few group of greedy people impeach her? This is not the Kenya we want. Now Wisdom Mwaka akauga, Gachagua has appointed another person to take over the battle. He's not sure of winning the case and therefore he wants to avoid public embarrassment when he fails to win the case and someone tells him that we know the tricks. And Daniel Mugo akauga, I join Mr. Frederick Muller for the petition. We need justice from judiciary. And Modo Weto James Mogeni akauga, no need to have this government finish the remaining years. After all, there is no development we are experiencing on ground but hate and abusive speeches. And Anavile Mwekesa akauga, these judges should go home. They mean if the CJ dies, the deputy cannot perform the duties. Corrupt judges. And Anthony Kuria Haikoroaki Adeko, may justice prevail. Mr. Truthful Man get back to his office. People's elected deputy and assessment Samson Maruaka, but the fact remains he was impeached and stand no chance of comeback. And Amodo Ogiae Koroaki Adeko, those who don't understand the role of politics should know Mohoro has to fight in court so that the court will declare the impeachment illegal. That way he will be allowed to vie for any position in 2027. Now that it will change the status for sins that has overtaken by events. And Anoa Musembi, I want Gachagua seat to be reinstated. There was no need of one hooligan pushed the other one out. They should have moved together to end. And Amodo Ogoito Kelma J. Kimani shame on another professor of law accepting unconstitutional appointment from PhD farmer. Very sad indeed. And James Brown vitu ya vya hadosi si wanyonge hatuingilili vitu vya vita vya hadosi sisi wanyonge hatuingilili. Na William Chikoe kwa Psoraki ya son akauga, Gachagua was elected while Kindiki is appointed like the Moi era. Gachagua has wananchi mandeza as Kindiki is Ruto Toj. And Amodo Ogoito Davis Kayumbi what Kenya should understand is that Gachagua was impeached by the Senate, not the courts. And Charles Kaduki nothing will change. Gachagua was kicked out and Astima bin Maji it should be understood that former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua was impeached by members of parliament, not by Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu. And Amodo Oweto Igumba Yukulavanda the law is very clear. Gachagua is Deputy President of Kenya, period. And Nicho Gari Kindiki allow who practice breaking the same law he exercises. And Isaac E. even if Gachagua is pardoned, he is going nowhere. I wish he knew the person who once seated him won't allow his politics to thrive again. Wokono kwa mwangi wa Mohoro nino guhena gitio kinene. Tafadhali ukowe subscribe thini wa channel itu nigetha ukamukagira mohoro kwa mbere wa maria maragikorwo magikunuka kana gukorwo makihanika guku thini wa bũrũri witu wa Kenya.